Most people are unaware that eating certain mineral-rich meals on a regular basis can help reduce high blood pressure. Magnesium and potassium are the two minerals needed by the body to maintain and regulate your high blood pressure, and in this video, we will list some of the foods that are rich in these minerals that you should take on a daily basis. 1. If you want to reduce your high blood pressure without resorting to medication, eating avocados on a regular basis is highly recommended because they provide your body with the 56 mg of magnesium and 4.1 mg of potassium it needs. It is a good source of the fiber, vitamin B, and vitamin K that your body needs. 2. Magnesium, which is found in abundance in nuts, 82 mg per ounce, can help regulate high blood pressure naturally, while also protecting your body from free radicals and inflammation. This means you should up your daily intake of nuts including almonds, cashews, peanuts, and others. 3. Potassium. Fiber and other key nutrients in bananas can help reduce your high blood pressure without the use of medications or concoctions, so you should make an effort to consume them regularly. 4. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with potassium, vitamin K, minerals, and other nutrients. Can also play a role in the natural reduction of high blood pressure according to studies.